Which two universities were born through Northeastern Hill University, NEHU? Answer: Nagaland and Mizoram University. Who established Indian Institute of Management, Shillong? Answer D, none of these. Nangkainam is the second largest river island of India, located in. Answer B, Meghalaya. Which two districts are famous for citrus fruits in Meghalaya? Answer A, West Jaintia Hills and Raiboi. Which union minister recently assumed charge of Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship? Answer C, Dharmendra Pradhan. Which team has replaced Aizawl FC in I-League? Answer C, Shillong Lajang. Which country won the Thomas Cup 2022? Answer B, India. In Indian buildings, who is the full-time or part-time Chief Justice? Answer C, Lokyukta. Which country is set to become the first in the world to auction spectrum for satellite communication? Answer C, India. Who is the first firm to roll out Small Satellite Launch Vehicle, SSLV? Answer A, ISRO. Which one of the following is the world's smallest island nation? Answer A, Tuvalu. Who has become the first Indian cricketer to play 200 matches in IPL? Answer C, MS Dhoni. Who is the present Chief of Army Staff of India as of 2023? Answer B, General Manoj Pandey. What is the old name of State Bank of India? Answer A, Imperial Bank of India. Which one of the following is not included in the fundamental rights in the Indian Constitution? Answer B, right to property. Who among the following wrote asterisk Abhijian Shakuntalam asterisk? Answer C, Kalidasa. Gat was replaced by. Answer A, WTO. Which of the following materials has the highest elasticity? Answer B, steel. The study of fossils is known as. Answer C, paleontology. The rock formed directly from molten magma is called. Answer A, igneous. Who is known as the Napoleon of India? Answer D, Samudragupta. India's first woman space mission commander, Gaganyaan 2023. Answer A, Ritu Karidhal. What was the theme of the year 2022 as per World Health Day? Answer O, our planet, our health.